Everyone's lining up to see it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Daizshanae Marie and I'm 23 years old today. I'm doing my makeup and yeah, I want to listen to music, so it's gonna be a voiceover again. But I do want to do a haul because I got myself like a lot of stuff for my birthday, and so I'll do like my makeup, voiceover, and then we'll do like a haul and everything. So I already did my primer, and my primer was One Size Secured the Glow, and now I'm about to do my brows. This is the Lip Bar Exact Arch, and it's in shade Deep Brown. And now I'm gonna play my music and it's gonna be a voiceover. For my brows, I've normally just been taking my Kulfi Free the Brow Gel, but recently, since I've been trying out the Lip Bar's like brow arch, this has been like, I don't know, I've been going towards this a lot, but basically for my brows, I like to just focus on the bottom and then the tails. Now going in with my Kulfi Main Match Concealer. This is in shade Falooda Fizz. It's a little bit closer to my skin tone. And then I like to brighten up with either Cherry Pick or Glossy Guava. And I like to underpaint. Like, I don't know. It depends. Sometimes I like to underpaint, but then also I like to just use foundation, then go into concealer. I go back and forth. Now for bronzer, I use my Makeup People Multi-Stick. It is more of a blush and lip product, but I like to use it as bronzer just because I really like the undertones for it. And this is my e.l.f. Blush, like angled blush brush, but again, I'm using that for my bronzer. Now I'm taking Danessa Myricks Dancing Queen like cream blush. And I really love the pigment on this. You really don't need that much, but you still get a beautiful flush. And then I go in with both my Morphe and Urban Decay setting sprays. I'm going in with Morphe first, then blending out my concealer with a sponge. But when I go underneath my eyes, I'm only doing the outside with the sponge. And then I take my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Blush and blend out underneath my eyes. That's how I feel like I get the best like blend, but it doesn't really matter. It works with the sponge, it works with the brush. Either way, it don't matter. For foundation, I'm going in with Polite Society's More Than a Pretty Face Foundation. This is in shade Deep Neutral. I realized I've like more of a neutral undertone, like golden is too yellow for me, warm is too red, so like neutral has been like my go-to like undertone. And so now setting my face, I'm using One Size Ultimate Setting Powder, and I like to blend it out with my brush first underneath my eyes, then press underneath with that powder, with a powder puff, and then just keep on pressing until I get all that powder blended out. Again, I use the concealer brush, then I add my loose setting powder. That's just, I don't know. I've tried like doing a pressed powder first, but I think I like this way better, doing the loose powder and then going in with a pressed powder. The pressed powder I'm going to be using is the Rare Beauty in shade Honey. And that just like, it blends everything so well to me. Like it looks so seamless in my opinion. I really like this pressed powder. And then now for bronzer, I'm using the Juvia's Place Bronze Duo in shade Tan. And I go back and forth in between the lighter and the darker shade. It doesn't really matter. Sometimes I like a darker bronze, sometimes I like a lighter one. This, I think I was just mixing both of them. Now, for blush, I'm using my Polite Society's Polite Pops. I don't know what shade I use. Now I'm going in with my Stila. This is All Over Glimmer in shade Silver Lake. This is my favorite highlighter. Favorite highlighter. Now, all over my face to set it one more time is my One Size On Till Dawn spray. And for eyes, I'm going to go in with Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette. This is shade Nice Buns, and this is going to be an all over transition color. I like to always go with a brown. It just sets my concealer that got onto my lid. And then I'm taking my Eva Expressions Magical Guardians Glimmer palette. This is in shade Mercury. And just look at that blue! You guys, I literally am obsessed with this. Like, this palette has unlocked my love for glitter. I probably bought like 15 more glitter palettes after getting this one because it's just so nice. Today I wanted to do a blue look. I don't know why. I was just like, you know what? Blue is just calling my name right now. And so then I'm going to go in to my Too Faced palette and I'm going to be taking shade Bless Your Tart. This blue has like, it looks blue, but then at a certain angle it also looks purple. And I don't know, I just felt like those two colors went super well together. I might recreate this in like a different like bluish purple way. But yeah, I really was vibing with this. And then for my outer corner, since I have a little bit of those purples in the Too Faced palette, I am gonna be taking a deep purple from my Morphe Aurascape 35Y palette. The shade that I am taking is Deepest Self, and that is just going to be like in like my crease and then outer corner. And yeah, just blend, 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 blend. And then I always like to bring whatever I'm using on my outer corner underneath onto like my waterline, lash line, just so it all blends together. It's not just like eyeshadow and then nothing, you know? So it's like a whole cohesive look. The last palette I'm going to be using is Pat McGrath Labs Huetopian Dream, and I'm taking shade Astral Amethyst Moon, and I'm going to just dust that all over my lid. The reason why I'm getting a little bit ahead is because I ran out of time. So basically for the rest of my makeup, I just put on some mascara. I can't remember which one I used, but then for my eyeliner was Kulfi Beauty's Kajal Eyeliner in shade Nazar No More. And now let's get into my birthday haul. Okay, I am back from all my festivities, and now I'm going to just open up everything that I got. So first I got a card from my mother-in-law, and she got me this cute card, and then she also got me some birthday money. But yeah, it was really sweet. Did you see this? She put mom on the bottom. I got a card from my grandmother-in-law. Time to celebrate big time. This is a huge card. Uh-oh. Because birthdays are awesome and so are you. Lots of love, Grandma Pat. Look at this. $20 foot long. Cause that's, yeah. You know what I just realized? I don't think I actually needed the screen protector. Oh! Wait a minute, dang! $50?
I didn't get you a screen protector, so. I'm glad you said that.
It was on Kindle Happy Reading. Dang! $50 whole dollars? Thank you. You were supposed to open this and then give me the card and write my name on there and write a nice...
We didn't want to open any of the boxes.
Dang. Husband's treating me right. And then I got a Kindle case because I got myself a Kindle. I know it's in one of these packages. I'm so excited. I got a clear case. And next I got this huge Sephora package, which I am so excited for. I got a lot of freebies. So first thing I got was Haus Labs concealer. I wanted to try out this concealer, and so I just figured, you know, let me just get at least a shade that a sample shade, and then I don't have to worry about getting like the wrong colors and everything. This was the birthday gift from Sephora, so it's the Youth to the People. This is their Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. Then I think this is cleanser, yeah. This is their Green Tea Spinach and Vitamins Cleanser. And then I got a sample face mask, Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Then I got another sample. This is Pat McGrath's. I don't know exactly how they choose like the sample colors, but I'm gonna hope that maybe this medium deep would work out for me, but I'm gonna give that one a try. Then I got the Refi Lip Buff. I don't remember getting this. This right here. It's so freaking small. Oh, it's like a little... It's a lip exfoliant, and it has like a little... Can you guys see that? Yeah, like those little spikes on there. It's like watery. Then, oh, I got a YSL perfume. Dang, I really ordered this a long time ago and I forgot what I got. This is the Myself one. Can't really smell it. I don't want to spray it yet because I already have perfume on. Then I got Briogeo. This is their hair care bundle. It's the Don't Despair Repair Mask and leave-in treatment. I got myself a lot of stuff. Oh my god, I got the Lightwork Volume 6. Oh, and my birthday is 10/6. Look at that. It was meant to be. Here's the case, the That's from Myrix Beauty. Then, open it on this side. Oh my god, here she is. Oh, I'm about to break it. This out. Oh, no, it is broken!
It's about...
Yeah! So creamy and smooth. Okay. And then, hon, this is like so cool. So all these little, look, all these little squares, you can take them out and create your own palette.
Oh.
This is how it came. You see? And then it comes like that. Then each of these, you can either, so you see how it has like this thing right here?
Yeah.
In the middle?
You
This
can pop that out.
is a mirror.
Oh.
Okay. It's kind of hard. This is a mirror. Then you can take out one of these.
Very demure.
Oh my gosh, my nails are like not helping me out right now. Okay, so then you can take this palette.
Yeah, then you can...
And you can connect it to this, and it's on the go. And it comes with this little baggie, and you can, oh my gosh. Oh, this is also magnetic, dang. I did not watch any videos on this.
Oh.
I was just like, give it to me. Oh, it's not magnetic, it's, like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like a spring.
Yeah.
Okay, so look, put this in here. But if you're like, well, I want to take this small thing instead of like taking the whole palette,
Yeah.
you can stack it now all together. Isn't that so freaking innovative?
That's really cool.
And then just stick it right in here, bend that in there, and then boom! So it went from this to this. That is so freaking cool. Okay, so that's the palette that I've been wanting for the longest freaking time. Okay, then I got a package from Rare Beauty. Then comes in Create and Share, a rare reminder, and then give that to somebody. Cool. Okay, I was wondering if I was gonna get this. Remember, I was like, why did I get a huge box? It's because it comes with the bag. 2 sponges. But use it for concealer, for my face. Ooh, it's like really, really heavy. Okay. I got myself some topicals. The faded spray because I wanted to try it on my dark marks. Where are those stretch marks? Stretch marks on my legs, so I got the spray. Then I also got the faded bars, and it comes with a cute little sticker that was all bent up. And I already have like 13 of these, honestly. I I wanted to know if this had like, I don't think it has a scent. No, it just smells like soap. I got myself a Made by Mitchell palette. And I've also been wanting to open this up for the longest time as well. It was smaller than I thought it would be. This. Okay, cool. So that does come with a brush. It said a spatula, but I wasn't sure if it had a brush part to it. I can use the spatula, and these are about to be such great looks. I'm so excited. This is the spatula. I wish it had like the M on there. Oh, it does. So cute. Last but not least, the grand finale, a Kindle Paperwhite. Thank you so much, hon. I'm literally about to download it. How many books? Dang, I don't even remember. Can you send me that list that I sent you about the books that I wanted?
You sent me a list. I can remember putting it.
Oh, when you put it in the notes?
Yeah.
Right, and this color is actually a lot prettier than what I thought it was gonna be. Thank you for getting me this color. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so... Oh, let me put this case on. There we go. And now I got a Kindle. Yay! Now I'm just gonna be like, hon, I want this book. You're gonna be like, get it on your Kindle.
Put my card on there.
Okay, well, that is what I got for my birthday. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone